Hello class, this is Aligari, and in today's video I'll show you how to compile and run a Java program in Eclipse and the command line or command prompt. Now first step, we go to Eclipse. We launch Eclipse. We select this as a workspace. Now the second step, we create our Java project. So we go to File, select New, and hit Java Project. Now we name our project A2 and we select Finish. Now after that, we create a class. So we select src, click New, and hit Class. And then we name our class My First Program. We select Public, add the method, and select the package as default. Then we finish. And after that, we need to delete all the generated method in row 5 and leave it a skeleton and replace it with system.out.print. Now if you want to print in, you have to select it right here, and then we write our command, which is hello world. Now we save it. Now what else do we need to do? We right click My First Program. We select Run As Java Application, and then you see hello world. Now what else do we need to do? Now we need to open command prompt. So we open command prompt. Now in order to do the command prompt, we need to look at the directory. So we go to File, select Switch Workplace, and click Other. Now you see, this is the workplace that we're using. It might be different from in your computer, but this is the workplace that I'm using. So we close this one, and we write CD, I believe, and space Eclipse / workspace. Hold on, my mistake. I forgot to put the L. Now you see it. Then we write dir. Now we write cd a2. We write dir again. And after that, we write cd src. Then we write dir. Now you're noticing the program, my first program.java. So what we do now is write Java C space my first program .java. Then we write dir. Then we write hold on, Java space my first program We hit enter, and we have hello world. So, as you can see, that is our coding. Hope you enjoyed the video, and always have a good day.